Welcome to the Money Mind Book Club, your go-to channel for mastering money and unlocking the secrets of a wealth-building mindset. Here we believe that true financial freedom starts from within, and every week we're here to guide you on your journey to abundance, confidence, and lasting success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, this is the place where practical strategies meet powerful mindset shifts. If you're ready to transform your relationship with money and create a future you're proud of, you're in the right spot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to join the Money Mind Book Club community. Together, let's grow, learn, and thrive. Welcome back to the Money Mind Book Club, where we unlock the secrets of building wealth, mastering money, and shaping a success-driven mindset. Here, we believe your greatest investment isn't in stocks, real estate, or gold, it's in you. Today, we're diving into a truth that can transform your financial future. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Peter Lynch once said, "The real key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them." This isn't just about market crashes, it's about mastering your own internal reactions. That wisdom goes beyond investing. It's about how you think, your beliefs, your habits, your resilience. When people think about building wealth, they often focus on the mechanics, the spreadsheets, the apps, the investment strategies. And yes, these tools are vital, but they are just that, tools. Without the right operator, they're useless. There's an even greater force at work, your mindset. Two people can have the same income, the same opportunities, even the same education, yet end up with drastically different financial outcomes. Why? Because the way they think about money shapes the way they act with money. The truth is, wealth is a long-term game. Forget chasing quick wins or overnight riches. They're rare, risky, and often short-lived. The real path to wealth is paved with discipline, patience, and a laser focus on your goals, even when the road gets bumpy. It's your mindset that keeps you on that road. Now, one of the most powerful shifts you can make is moving from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. This isn't just about positive thinking, it's a fundamental change in how you perceive and interact with the world of finance, directly impacting your potential for growth. The scarcity mindset whispers, "There's not enough to go around. If I lose this money, I may never get it back. If I don't grab this opportunity now, it's gone forever." It's rooted in fear, a deep-seated belief that resources are limited. This fear leads to playing it too safe, avoiding smart investments, and living with constant anxiety about money. Ultimately, it keeps you stuck, preventing you from reaching your true financial potential. But the abundance mindset says, opportunities are everywhere. Even if I fail, I can learn, adapt, and grow. Wealth isn't finite, it's something I can create. People with an abundance mindset invest in themselves, take calculated risks, and see setbacks not as losses but as valuable lessons. They collaborate, celebrate the success of others, and understand that wealth is built over time, with patience and consistent strategic action. Think of mindset like soil. You can have the best seeds, knowledge, skills, resources, but if the soil is toxic with fear, doubt, or greed, nothing will grow. However, with rich, fertile soil, confidence, gratitude, growth, those seeds can flourish into something incredible. And here's the secret. Financial success is often less about what you know and more about how you behave. Even the smartest investors can fail if they let fear or impatience control them. So, how do you cultivate this wealth mindset? Let's break it down into simple, practical steps. Step 1. Practice gratitude. Start every day by appreciating what you already have. It could be your health, your home, or even a simple cup of coffee. This simple act rewires your brain to see opportunities, shifting your focus from what's missing to what's possible and instantly moving you from scarcity to abundance. Step 2. Focus on growth, not perfection. You don't need to be a financial expert to start investing or saving. Begin where you are with what you have. Learn as you go. Every small step forward builds momentum. Progress, not perfection, is the key to long-term success. Step 3. Reframe setbacks. Lost money in a trade, made a bad investment, it happens to everyone, so don't let it crush you. Instead ask, what's the lesson here? This mindset builds resilience. Every misstep is simply tuition in the school of wealth building. Step 4. Visualize your goals. Make it vivid. Close your eyes and picture your life after achieving financial independence. Where are you living? How do you feel? This powerful vision becomes your North Star, fueling your motivation and keeping you grounded through the inevitable tough seasons. Remember, Mastering the psychology of money is far more powerful than memorizing financial formulas. Your mindset colors every choice you make, and those choices shape your financial destiny. So, invest in your mind. Guard your beliefs. Feed yourself with knowledge, positivity, and patience. Because when your mindset is right, the money will follow. This has been the Money Mind Book Club. If today's message spoke to you, don't just listen. Act. Start shifting your mindset today, and watch how it changes your financial future. Subscribe for more timeless wisdom, share this with someone who needs it, and remember, wealth starts in the mind before it ever reaches the bank. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in your greatest asset, you. Thank you for spending your time with us at the Money Mind Book Club. We truly appreciate every viewer who joins our journey towards financial wisdom and a richer life. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends and family who are also seeking a brighter financial future. Remember, building wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about nurturing the right mindset day by day. Every positive thought and action brings you one step closer to abundance. Keep believing in yourself and the possibilities ahead. See you next time at the Money Mind Book Club.